Hi, my name is Brianne Broussard and I'm a Mayvenn stylist. I'm here to help you with some tips of how to transition from your sew-in to your natural hair. So say you've been wearing your sew-in for about 6 to 8 weeks and you're thinking about transitioning into your natural hair. Well, here's a quick tip. First, relax. Second, let's start taking out your extensions. First step, you're gonna need a clip and you're definitely gonna need some scissors. Go ahead and lift up your hair and release each track one by one. Do not rush because you don't wanna cut your hair. Take your time, it's okay. We all have moments where I take our extensions. Next, you're going to take down your braids one by one. Use a comb and begin to detangle your hair to release the braid. After you do that, get you a detangling brush and you can actually use some detangling spray. Spray it on your hair and begin to start from the ends of your hair all the way to the root of your hair. You don't want to rush this process and you don't want to yank it because it will create breakage. But let me give you a quick tip because I don't want you to panic. There's going to be some hair that's going to come out, but that's dead hair. We're letting go of dead things and we're moving on to the new, okay? So after you do that, you're going to go into your washing. This is my favorite part. Begin to wash and cleanse your scalp. Some may take 2, sometimes even 3 shampoos, but continue until your scalp is cleansed and all of that dirt and residue from wearing your extensions is released. Next, a deep condition. Your hair will love you and you will love your hair. Go ahead and put that deep conditioner in. Put a plastic cap, sip, and relax, maybe even watch a movie. After about 30 minutes to an hour, rinse that off with cold water, go into blow drying, get your ends trimmed, get a silk press, wear a ponytail, whatever you like. It's all about falling back in love with your natural hair.